Hi, everybody. This is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist who loves working with seniors, I love bringing new and innovative ways of how to tackle life as we get older. And one of the tricks that I'm going to show you today is this lovely over the mat that goes over the sink. Okay, and it's lovely, it's flexible, it can hold the space, right? Okay, so what is so great about this mat? Okay, one, when somebody goes to do their dishes, okay, they're able to use the sink, the soap, and able to rinse their dishes without having the stuff drop back into the sink. Okay, so it makes washing the few dishes that seniors in apartments use and being able to provide that independence with this mat. But another reason why this mat is so great and innovative is when you step back, if this is your kitchen space, okay, the mat also acts as an extension of counter space, which means that as a senior who is trying to keep their independence and making some basic meals, having that extra counter space really helps, especially if something is hot coming out of the microwave. They're able to place it down before they put it onto their walker or onto their lap in order to come over to the dining space. I saw this mat. I thought, oh my gosh, more people need to know about how great this mat is. All right. So if you really like my videos, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.